Hi there and welcome to this quick tutorial. First off, congratulations on grabbing your free Airbnb Income and Expense Tracker. You're already one step closer to organizing your finances like a pro. In this video, I'll show you how to use this Google Sheet, so let's dive in. Start with the Read Me tab. This is where you'll find all the instructions to guide you through the sheet. It's super simple and gives you a clear overview of how everything works. Next up is the Airbnb Dashboard. This is your business overview hub. You can actually change your property name here, just like so. Change the year that you wanted to view, just like so. Provide your revenue streams here. These are all edited or editable. I already provided four for you. Expense. These are all the expense categories that you can provide. This is also editable, but I already provided the list for you so you can easily manage this part. This dashboard is fully automated. So all the data that you will be seeing here comes directly from the income tracker and expense tracker. Moving on to the income tracker, this is where you log all your earnings. You just have to double click on the date and select the date of the income stream, provide the amount and the category from the Airbnb dashboard, select and provide any notes. For your spending, we have as well the expense tracker. Works just the same. So select the date, enter the amount, select from the list of expense category, and provide your notes. Lastly, we have the Airbnb fee tracker. Perfect for tracking your transaction details. You just have to select the date released, date received, customer name for which the booking from, gross amount, provide the net amount, and automatically this part will show you the percentage of the Airbnb share. And that's it. That's pretty simple, right? With this tracker, managing your Airbnb or VRBO finances has never been easier. Now, if you're loving this freebie, you'll definitely want to check out the ultimate Google Sheet for Airbnb host. It's actually packed with even more tools and features so that you can take your rental business to the next level. Click on the link on the provided email to you to grab it. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.